Okay, to start off cleaning your brushes, you're only gonna really need four things, and that's gonna be some type of dish to put your brushes on. You're gonna need some soap. I'm just using this Ultra Ajax and olive oil. Any olive oil will do. This one's from Walmart. And then this is a brush egg. I got it off of eBay. You can get it off of eBay or Amazon. You're just going to use this to just rub your brushes through. You can put your fingers in it. Since my fingers are fat, I won't be doing that. I usually just hold it like this. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your dish soap on your dish. And then your olive oil. You want to put equal parts. And then I'm just going to take this brush and I just mix it on in there. And you see the dirt is starting to come off. Get it nice and lathered. So it's coated. Make sure you get the sides. You see all that makeup is just coming off. Sorry guys, I had to go get a cup. You don't need a cup. I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video. And then I'm gonna put it down. You wanna make sure you put your brushes down so that the liquids don't get into the glue and then have the brush parts start coming apart. So I'm just gonna do this for all of my brushes. Smaller brushes, I'm doing the exact same thing. You want to make sure you get both sides of the brush. And it's just going to break up all of that dirt, dust, debris, makeup, basically everything you don't want in your brushes. Once I'm done doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys along to my sink and we're gonna rinse them off with this brush egg. Okay, now I'm rinsing off all of my brushes with this brush egg. This egg is so helpful. Like, I've never had an egg that I like as much as I like this egg. So it's gonna get off all of that makeup that may be stuck in between the hairs of the brush, and it's just super helpful to have this brush. If you don't have the brush egg, you can also use like a little baby comb, or if you have a bar of soap, you can put it directly onto the soap. That's a tip there. Just anything that's gonna get all of the makeup out, and you're just gonna run the water until the water is clear. So until all the makeup is out of your brushes, and then you're just going to shape your brushes and put them on a towel, a clean towel, so that everything remains sanitary. You want to make sure you turn off your water as often as you possibly can while cleaning your brushes. This is going to save on your water bill, and it's just going to make the earth a greener place. Okay, now as you guys can see, brushes are all clean, and it literally only took me like 10 minutes to clean all of these brushes. So if you guys like these type of videos, let me know and I will try to make more of them. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.